discuss about graphing exponential functions. So, for us to be able to graph the exponential function, we have to consider the properties of exponential function. So, there are 6 properties. Number 1 is the domain is the set of all real numbers. Number 2, the range is the set of all positive real numbers. Number 3, it is a one-to-one function. It satisfies the horizontal line test. Number 4, the y-intercept is 1. There is no x-intercept. Number 5, the horizontal asymptote is the line y is equal to 0, or that is the x-axis. There is no vertical asymptote. And last but not the least, the function is increasing if b is greater than 1 and decreasing if 0 is less than b and b is less than 1. So those are the properties of exponential functions that we're going to consider for us to easily graph the exponential functions. For example, let's sketch the graph of f of x equals 2 raised to x. So first step is construct a table of values of ordered pairs for the given function. So the table of values for f of x is equal to x squared will be so let's have negative 4, negative 3. Let's assign value for x. Negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, as usual, the procedure is substitute the given value of x on the given exponential function. So for x, if x is negative 4, so it will be 2 raised to negative 4. This will become, make the exponential expression be positive. So to make that get its reciprocal. So 2 to the 4th is equal to 16. So therefore, f of negative 4 is equal to 16. So we will put it on the table of values, 1 over 16. So if the value of negative x, f of x is negative 3, we need to solve also like this way. So we will get 1 over 8. For negative 2, we have 1 over 4. Negative 1, 1 half. 0, 1. If x is 1, f of x will become 2. If x is equal to 2, is equal to 4. If x equals 3, so that is 8. And if x is equal to positive 4, it will become 16. Okay, so that is the first step. We already constructed a table of values. Second step is we will plot the points found on the table. We will on the table of values, we will plot on the Cartesian table of values. We are going to plot the points. So we will plot the first point, negative 4, 1 over 16. So somewhere here. Then negative 3, 1/8, somewhere here. Negative 2, 1/4, so somewhere here. Negative 1, 1/2, so here. 0, 1, here. Then positive 1 is 2, so here. Then 2, we have here 4. Positive 3, 8. Then 4, 4, we have 16. So we cannot plot 16 since our interval is 1. So somewhere over there. So next is we will connect those points with a smooth curve. So like this. Somewhere the smooth curve will look like this. In the graph, the properties are the following. So our domain based on the graph are all elements of x are real numbers. Then the range are the set of all positive real numbers. For the y-intercept, so the answer is 1. Y-intercept is 1, and then there is no x-intercept. Then for the horizontal asymptote, so that is y is equal to 0. There is no vertical asymptote. So the graph is increasing. As we can see on the graph, from left to right, the curve gets higher and higher. So increasing function, since our b or base on the given function is 2, and since 2 is greater than 1, so the graph is really increasing.